Welcome back, guys. So I've just remembered that I said I'm gonna invite you guys on my journey, on my personal development journey, and I haven't been posting in over 6 months due to an unforeseen injury that I incurred, but I'm back now. Yeah, and I actually want to let you guys in on what I've been busy with a couple month or so. I've actually been busy with the financial markets. Yeah, I've actually been busy with the trading, forex trading. So yeah, as you guys can see right there, let me just take you guys, as you guys can see the right here. Don't know if it's proper. Can you guys see? Okay, so this is my whiteboard and where I've written down everything so far about the new strategy that I'm learning. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on this journey as well and give you guys insights. Just excuse the music in the background that's playing. And yeah, let me show you guys what I've been back testing. I've been back testing quite a while, for over 2 hours right now. I've been back testing. So let me show you guys. This is what I've been back testing. I've been back testing quite for some time now. Back testing the new strategy that I'm learning right now. As you guys can see, back testing the new strategy and everything. So I've been busy. As you guys can see how far I go back, and you can see in the charts there. So I've been busy for quite a while, actually, probably like over going for 2 hours right now. So this is my journey, and as I said, I'm gonna let you guys in on how I've been doing on this personal development journey. It's not just about fitness and all that stuff, but finance as well. And as you guys can see, I'm in the participating within the financial market, educating myself. I've been reading lately. I'll definitely keep you guys posted on what I've been reading. So yeah, I've been out for a minute now and I'm making a slow comeback, excuse me, on my YouTube channel. So tune in, like, follow, share, subscribe, show it to your buddies as we elevate to success. Yeah, let's get it.